Stop buying Snap-on. Let me tell you why. So last night, Black Friday, right? I saw the deal of a lifetime. This Husky toolbox, when I bought this, it was $898. Today, the same toolbox is $1,500. Wouldn't buy it. But their Pro Series was on sale. 72-inch with a hutch or a side locker, $1,700. And the specs on it are hilarious. It's 24.5 inches deep, and it's 72 inches wide. 33,000 cubic inches of storage, stuff like that. 6,000 pound payload capacity for the casters. This one's only 3,000. The drawer slides hold 220. And I know that's not Snap-on, but for $1,700, I couldn't tell you a better deal if I couldn't find one. And I was just blown away. I want to get rid of this and buy that, but it just didn't make any sense. This is sitting in not my house. This is sitting in a guest house at my aunt's farm. So thank God no one uses the house, so she doesn't care. But this is why. Stop buying Snap-on. I bought this whole gear wrench set. Got the 92 drive. This was, what, $200 at Home Depot? I had a video about this the other day. Should I buy it? I ended up buying it because I wanted it. These are my favorite, though. This is the 122 ones. Look at how smooth that is. And then these ones, you need a little more. But again, the price difference. This one ratchet from Snap-on, this anniversary one, I looked it up. It's like $220, $250 off the tool truck. You could have bought a whole gear wrench set. And then I saw another video. Someone did it so well, and they commented, and I loved it. You're paying for the convenience of Snap-on. Because you can go to Home Depot, you can go to Harbor Freight, right, the Iconer, and their warranty is so easy. So unless you're too lazy to go to the store, then, oh my God, I don't understand. And then someone else, I've always seen other ones, well, the guy comes to my house. You know how much money you would have to spend for a Snap-on truck to come to your house? The last dealership that I worked at, the Audi one, didn't even have a Snap-on dealer. It was so bad. But it was also because their techs weren't buying anything. It was a bunch of young guys. And I found out Audi didn't pay any money, which I was confused because I came from Chevy. So I was like, damn, you guys are making less than the Chevy techs. I was like, this doesn't make any sense. And you guys have to do harder diagnostic work because the electrical problems on Audis are twice as bad as GM products. And I thought that was just hysterical. So they didn't have a Snap-on dealer. So what were they going to do besides absolutely nothing? They couldn't get anything warranted. The last month I left, they finally got a Snap-on guy. And he didn't sell a damn tool for over a month. The only thing he had was warranty repairs that he had to do. He was so frustrated with us. It was hilarious. But again, unless you're too lazy just to go bring this into Lowe's and get another one, I don't see why you would buy a Snap-on when I did a video on this. You could buy this. There's a Tecton one in here, this long one. You could have that one. You could have that one. You could have that Craftsman one. And you might be at the price of that one Snap-on one. And the joke is, right, oh, if this breaks, I can bring it on the truck. Cool. And also, right, you want convenience? That breaks, you're out for a week. What are you using? Oh, I got to go to that one. So you have to have someone to back it up. Otherwise, you got to wait a week. My thing is you can break 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, again, I don't get the point. It's called return on your investment. And again, I'd rather do that. This Husky box, heck, it's now twice as much as I bought it. And I was thinking about this last night. I could probably still sell this for $800. I'd lose $100 on it. And I've had it for 5 years. So $100, 5 years, easy peasy math to me. Buy Snap-on, you'd be lucky to get half of what you paid for it. So